Miele refrigerator model KF1813SF error codes. Miele 30-inch counter-depth refrigerator with 15.19 cubic feet total capacity, 39 cubic feet freezer capacity, 3 glass shelves, crisper drawer, left hinge, automatic defrost, Sabbath mode, Energy Star certified, ice maker, clear view lighting, full view storage drawers, drop-in. Error codes. Code F0. Problem. Fault in sensor fresh air, BioFresh. Code F1. Problem. The sensor of the refrigerating chamber. Code F2. Problem. Faulty evaporator sensor. Code F3. Problem. Faulty air sensor freezer compartment. Code F4. Problem. Indicates a failure in the sensor evaporator. Code F5. Problem. Card malfunction microprocessor control. Code 01F21. Problem. Ice fault. Code. Normal noises. Burr.